Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where you want the black background and acting immediately. Pick terminal versus IDE versus GUI or plotting, because each path needs different tweaks. Install Colorama on Windows now with pip install Colorama so Python can emit ANSI colors. On Mac OS and Linux, you typically don't need that. Then open your terminal or IDE preferences and set the background color to black, #000000. Once done, you'll have the base environment ready to apply Python-side changes. Now make Python actually use that black background. In terminal apps, initialize Colorama with Colorama. Init and prefix prints with ANSI background codes if needed. That forces consistent output on Windows. For tkinter, set widget options like BG equals #000000 and update text colors so content remains readable. For matplotlib, set RC params figure. Face color and RC params axes. Face color to #000000 before plotting, and adjust text and line colors. These steps ensure the black background shows across GUI, plots, and consoles. Finish by making your changes persistent. Save the IDE theme, add a small startup script that sets matplotlib RC params, and import Colorama at program entry. Once done, test the same script on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux on Windows wrap Colorama. Init in try/except to avoid crashes. If the background does not appear black, make sure the terminal emulator or IDE isn't overriding colors and disable theme overrides. A single troubleshooting tip. If output still has wrong colors, reset the terminal profile to default and reapply the black background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.